Hey everybody, welcome to a very exciting 60 Seconds with Tower Tim. I'm super excited today because we are finally launching our brand new microgreens extension kit for the Tower Garden. And this is available today online at towergarden.com. Let's come on in and take a look at how we use this new extension kit. Now I want to start off by showing you that down below is just a normal Tower Garden 5 pots tall. We've got some beautiful gourmet lettuce mixes in there. Some bib lettuce, boy, that's like the size of a softball there. Some kale that we use in our juicing. Some beautiful green onions. Look at the size of those green onions. So these pots are perfect for some of these larger plants that we use in our juicing and our salads and our cooking, right? Now, up above 5 pots, we can normally add 2 more pots, which would give us an additional 8 plant sites for a total of 28. But with a microgreens extension kit, we are adding 32 plant sites onto 20. So this gives us 52 plant sites on the residential tower garden. It's really cool. So what is a microgreens extension kit? It's a place where we can grow microgreens and baby greens and petite greens and small herbs. This is a hot new trend in cooking. People love, here's some encore mix, right? A wide range of flavors and textures and colors. Here's some 5-star lettuce mix that'll be ready in just 1 more week. And there's some green kale up above. The edges on these leaves are ripply, so I love the texture when we put those in the salads. Now, 5-star chefs love using these types of products, and a lot of folks at home do too. And I'm going to show you how we go in and cut off of these, because what's really cool with the microgreens, we can actually cut off all these plants several times. Just a few days ago, I cut the kale back and it's already reflushed. It's quite beautiful. Again, I said this 5-star lettuce mix is going to be ready in a week. Now with this encore mix, let's zoom in here close. I'm going to show you what we're going to look for. Now, we call this cluster planting. There's about 6 to 8 plants in each cube of rock wool. And by the way, this is a cube of rock wool. And we've got, again, 6 to 8 different types of lettuces in there. We just popped this in there a couple days ago. You can see those beautiful roots. These microgreen planters, these are square plant ports designed to receive a rock wool cube. And you just literally pop it in just like that. And within a couple days, they're rooting in and they're growing. And a week or 2 later, you're ready to harvest. So back to this encore mix down here, we've got about 6 to 8 plants with this cluster planting. We want to go in and look for all these growing tips. It's very important. We don't want to cut those back. We want to cut all these beautiful leaves above that. So we identify where those growing tips are at. They're about 1.5 inches up from the rock wool. So I'm going to grab that whole cluster right there and just snip them right back like that above the growing tip. And then I'm going to go and cut any of the leaves around the edge I've mixed. And literally that plant site will be reflushed in just a few days, or the most a week. I'm going to go around and duplicate that around the tower, and within a short time you have a nice bowl of the microgreens in there. And I can go and do a few of the kale microgreens, and then I'm going to harvest one of those nice big bib lettuces over here and blend that all together, and I'm going to have a beautiful salad for dinner that tastes like nothing else you can buy in the store. I can't wait for you to all try this out and get growing some of these beautiful microgreens soon. See y'all next time.